Check out this. Check out this right here. Check it out. This is Grayson's school project. And look at here. Creative. He got some of that Holmes Al Pig in him. Got a, I don't know, that's a ice cream cone or corn cob. It's a corn cob, I think. A KFC cup. A Final Four cup. 18 count egg carton. Got some forks on the side for some, I guess, legs. And this here is the bone, I guess the backbone for the wings. And it's got that long neck, those two big eyeballs. And then there's the whiskers for some mosquito. Ooh. Pretty good, what you think? Creative, and it does look like a mosquito as soon as you see it. There's really no question about what it is, an aggravating mosquito. I'd hate to get bit by this one. Look at the detail up close. Hey, put his eyes in here. The mouth and the cotton.